Hi, I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 212 McKenzie Road in Alton Downs. This low-set brick home sits on a large 20-acre block and is the perfect spot to enjoy the rural lifestyle. What I love about this light-filled home is how it takes advantage of both the inside and outside living areas. With an office pod or studio outside, and an outdoor cottage ready for your finishing touches. Makes this acreage property brimming with potential. If you want more information on this property, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents.